poppin'? Thank you guys for visiting my channel. If you are new, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't new and you are already part of the family, what's poppin'? What's good? So it is the day after my last video. Ain't no telling when I'm posting this video, but it's the day after my last video, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my wash day with my DIY rice water shampoo and my rice water deep conditioner. Now I went ahead and took my hair out of the bun so you guys can see what it's looking like. This is what my hair looks like when I took it out of my bun for work. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ending results of my wash day. And we will go through it with my shampoo and my conditioner. So right now we have my rice water shampoo that I let cool down in the fridge. And we also have my rice water deep conditioner that I went ahead and let sit as well. I will go ahead and link the ingredients to both of these below. I will also go ahead and link the video below so you guys can follow those steps and create your own rice water shampoo and your rice water conditioner. Honestly, if you have been doing this rice water challenge, or if you have been following me during my rice water fiasco and whatnot, then you would know that it's really working really well for me. So I want you guys to see how I do my wash day, what the effects of the rice water shampoo and rice water conditioner has to my hair, and so you can see the ending results. And it's just up to you if you guys want to go ahead and try those. Okay, so I'm ready. You ready? Day ready. Let's go.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana gold yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom.
So what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and wet my hair. Of course, this is what my hair looks like wet. It is fully drenched. So I'm going to go ahead and add my rice water shampoo. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my hair. Oh, and I'm just going to squirt this all over, y'all, until it like get in there, because it's getting in there. Okay. Ooh, I can hear it. Oh, and it feels good. That peppermint oil, I'm telling you guys, that peppermint oil ain't nothing like it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair with the rice water shampoo.
Can you make it clap? 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 Can you DJ Gunner.
So I'm going to go ahead and use my shampoo brush. Look at the bristles on this thing, you guys. Look how many bristles it has on this. So I'm going to go ahead and use this.
Fast, fast, real fast, real fast, real fast, real fast.
So after I went ahead and combed out my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the deep conditioner. So now that I went ahead and I washed my hair with the rice water shampoo, it feels all minty and all extra clean. Like, oh, you guys have no idea. This feels so good on my scalp. Like, I don't care whatever shampoo you use, you should always put peppermint in it because it just makes it feel like your scalp is breathing. All right, now I'm about to go ahead and do the conditioner. The conditioner that contains avocado, boiled rice. It includes tons of oils and 𝐒𝐻 powder. So let's go ahead and see how this reacts to my hair. I hope it does well because your girl getting a sew-in tomorrow, okay? I got some things to do.
Baby clubbing. Baby clubbing. Yeah. Baby clubbing.
Baby beware, Ice Cube was on tilt, waiting yelling. Off the drinks my homies spilled, everybody sweating like it's Armageddon. 1999, party over, oops, I'ma still grind. Straight from the west, but the way you're not. DJ, can you play my record one more time? Oh damn, you fine.
My homie speak on me.
She got backs for days.
Put a week on me.
Now everybody in the world love to go clubbing, and after the club is either breakfast or loving. Hope we ain't ducking from haters in the parking lot who ain't got nothing, trying to prove something, frontin'. We be the ones who be button on our way to the Marriott, keep them very high. West side, hit the hairy spot all night long. Get your club on. We be clubbing, everybody likes when the girl shakes something. Don't pull nothing, we ain't jumping, we just bumping and banging like it ain't nothing wrong. Get your club on. We be clubbing, we be clubbing, we be clubbing, we be clubbing, we be clubbing. Shake it off, take it off, take it off, take it off.
So after I went ahead and added the deep conditioner, it feels really good on my scalp. You will feel the brittle parts of the rice if you do not boil the rice all the way. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is comb from the tip to the root and make sure that the deep conditioner is evenly distributed. I can literally feel all the rice in my hair right now. But along with the oils and the almond powder, this feels freaking amazing, you guys. I wish you guys could feel it. If you do this tutorial, baby, you will feel it. I went ahead and put the deep conditioner in, and it actually just feels really good. I'm sorry if it seems like I'm tugging and I'm pulling at it, but I honestly don't know what to do about my ends that are just so thick. My ends are very, very thick. But you guys, this feels so good. Oh my god, look at she hair. Let me section off a part so you guys can see it. But this deep conditioner, you can hear it. Look at that. That look like magic, y'all. That is that rice water. That is the hair crack. It's the hair crack. Look at that. The hair crack. Everybody wants this crack. Kids say no to drugs, but say yes to this crack. So I just go ahead and I just comb this out, massage this in. You should see like the big old rice chunks. So now that I went ahead and combed through this deep conditioner, I'm gonna wrap my hair up for about a good hour. I don't have one of those like heated blow dryers. Basically, I don't have an overhead blow dryer. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna wrap my hair up in a plastic bag, and I'm gonna wrap a towel over it. And I'm just gonna let this sit. Ooh, chile. I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and rinse this out for you guys. Peace.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I just went ahead and took the plastic bag off. It's been about an hour since I let it sit, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this. It feels really good. My hair feels nice and slippery. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see the ending results of my rice water shampoo and rice water conditioner. And again, if your girl not a 4C, please let your girl know she not a 4C. Because I promised to Buddha my damn hair changed textures. It used to be up here. Now it's down there. It kind of came down a few notches. But let me know. I feel like I'm a 3. I feel like I cannot be a 4C groupie anymore. I can't hang with y'all. I feel like this is what my hair is wet. This is what my hair is in a deep conditioner. This is what it is, sis.
Shake it off, make it soft. Shake it off, shake it off. Take it off, shake it off, shake it off. Make it soft. Shake it off, shake it off. Take it off, yeah. Shake it off, shake it off. Make it soft, yeah. Clubbing. Everybody likes when the girl shakes something. Don't pull nothing. We ain't jumping. We just bumping and banging like it ain't nothing wrong. Yeah.
So this is the ending results of my rice water DIY conditioner. The results are amazing. I wish you guys can actually just feel how soft my hair is. Like, if you can look at it, I hope you guys can see how soft it is. It feels really, really soft. My scalp feels all minty. The ends feel really good. My ends have been feeling dry lately, but the ends have been feeling amazing since I just rinsed this out of my hair. Like, what is that? What grade hair is your girl? Cause your girl don't know. Thank you guys for tuning in to my rice water DIY shampoo and my rice water conditioner. I do hope you guys like it. If you guys have any ingredients that you add into yours, please put them in the comments below so I can go ahead and try your style out. If anything, you want to purchase the products that I have in my DIY shampoo and conditioner, I will link those below. I just want to say thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking and commenting. And if you dislike, baby, that's your opinion or whatever, but to each his own. So in the next time, peace.
Problem. If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve it.